Hey everyone, welcome back to Arrays 101. I am Kunal, and in today's episode we will be discussing some basic array operations: pop, push, shift and unshift. These methods allows us to add and remove elements from arrays. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the push method. I'll quickly create a comment push. So what does push do? The push method adds one or more elements to the end of an array and returns the new length of an array. Since it returns a new length, I'll quickly create a variable to store this new length, and fruits dot push, and I can push a new fruit called orange in this. So I'll quickly do a console.log on new length and on and a log on fruits. So if I go to my browser, I can see in this example we have added orange to the end of the fruits array, and the push method returns the new length of the array, which is 4. But what if I want to add multiple elements in this array? So I can add another one like this. I can add papaya, and if I go to my browser, I can see orange and papaya are added this time, and 5 is the new length. So I'll quickly remove this and go to our next method. Next, let's talk about the pop method. What does pop do? The pop method removes the last element from an array and returns that element. So I'll quickly create a comment pop. So since it returns the last element, I'll quickly create a variable last fruit, and I'll do fruits dot pop. So since there were 3 elements earlier, then we have added orange. So again, the last it should return this array because we are adding orange and then removing it. So console.log on last fruit and console.log on array fruit. So if I go and check, in this example we remove the last element orange from the fruits array. The pop method returns the removed element, which is orange. Now let's move on to the unshift method. What does unshift do? The unshift method adds one or more elements to the beginning of an array and returns the new length of the array. So it is similar to push method, but it adds element at the starting of the array, while push method adds element in the end of the array. So I'll quickly add a comment unshift, and I'll do I'll update this new length only. New length is equal to fruits dot unshift, and I am adding strawberry this time. So it should add strawberry at the starting of the array. I'll remove these. I'll quickly copy these and I'll change it to new length. So our array is strawberry is added at the beginning of the array. Now it is returning the length 4. Similarly, I can add multiple strawberry. I can add papaya again. So I can see strawberry, papaya, apple, banana, cherry. So these 2 elements are added at the beginning of the array and it is returning the length 5. Finally, let's discuss the shift method. So if I remove these, now what does shift do? The shift method removes the first element from an array and returns that element. It is similar to pop method, but instead of the last element, it removes the first element of the array and returns it. So I'll do let first fruit is equal to fruits dot shift, and I'll do log on first fruit and a log on fruits. So papaya, apple, banana and cherry. So these four fruits are left and we have removed strawberry. So it is returning strawberry. So if I check this process again, we have an array of apple, banana and cherry in the starting. Then we are pushing orange to this array. After this we are popping one. So orange is removed again since it was added, and in this case it was removed. Then in the next step we are unshifting. It means we are adding strawberry and papaya at the beginning. So the array now has strawberry, papaya, apple, banana and cherry. After this we are shifting. So shifting means we are removing the first element. The first element was strawberry, so it is removed now. So we have left with papaya, apple, banana and cherry. So that's it for today's video. To recap, we learned how to use push, pop, unshift and shift to add and remove elements from an array. These methods are essential for manipulating arrays efficiently. Push adds element to the end of the array and returns the new length. Pop removes the last element and returns it. Unshift adds element to the beginning and returns the new length. Shift removes the first element and returns it. In our next episode, we'll explore more advanced array methods. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode in our series. Thank you for watching.